Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over what camera gear I use and the accessories. Had a lot of people ask questions on what camera stuff I use and where do I mount them, so we're going to go over that today. So right now I'm filming on my iPhone 15, but normally I am filming on this Insta360 Ace Pro. It is a little expensive, but the image quality is great. And for my backup or for secondary shots, I use this GoPro Hero 8, and it's not bad. It's a little glitchy sometimes, and that's why I went ahead and switched over to the Insta360 stuff. So as far as mounts go, I primarily use a head mount whenever I'm doing most of my point of view shots, but I will also use this adhesive mount here that is either for when I want to get shots of me or facing just what's in front of me. And I can also use these selfie sticks sometimes, but not all the time. Mainly when I'm diving or something like that, I'll use these, or snorkeling. So this is just the ONN brand. It's very cheap. This is the Insta360 telescoping selfie stick, and it's really good. Now when I go wakeboarding, what I use most of the time is this Insta360 brand clip. I think this is made for motorcycles, but it works great for the jet ski. And this is just, I can just face whoever's skiing or whatever. So that works really good, and it's fairly inexpensive. So one thing I like about the Insta360 over the GoPro is that it comes with these quick release little tabs. So you just release the camera and then you can spin it around, face it the opposite direction, snap it in, and you're good to go. You don't have to fumble with these little thumb screws or anything like that. So that makes it a lot easier while you're on the water. When I first started the channel, I was using the RAM mounts, and not on this FX, but on my GP. All the threads would get very rusty after a couple days of use if I kept the RAM mount inside of there, and so I didn't like that. And also, if you were jumping waves or riding in really rough water, the RAM mounts would kind of loosen themselves up, and you were always constantly adjusting them. So I ditched the RAM mounts because they're very expensive, and it just didn't seem to work good. So this is all I use. If you have any suggestions on different products you think I should test or try, just leave them down below, and thanks for watching.